Welcome back to Web Education, and in today's video I'll be showing you how you can easily and efficiently make a thumbnail using Canva. If you have a YouTube video and you want to make a thumbnail quickly and easily and efficiently, this is how. So just head over to the YouTube thumbnail, like as you can see right here, and click on it. After clicking on it, you'll be redirected to this page right here. As you can see right now, it is opening. There is our canvas, and then the templates will appear right here in a few seconds, sorry. And there are the templates and the styles. Now, this is how you create a thumbnail using pre-designed templates. So just head over and choose one of the templates that you seem to want to use. So I'll click on this one. After clicking on it, just come and modify every text or picture according to what I want. So how does it work? Even to modify this and say like and subscribe, I can just say like and subscribe. Okay, subscribe. If I want to modify this, I'll just come and modify. I can say YouTube, all right, and I can say tech right here at the back. Okay, just double click. I can say tech, double click, all right, like that. And there you have designed our template in less than 5 minutes. If you want to change the image, just go on uploads, okay, and then click this image, and then you can delete it, and then click on this, and then just extend it. Click on the image you want and extend it, and it will be uploaded in your canvas. If you want to make sure it is pushed back to the background, just right click, sorry, and then click on layer right here, and then click on send to back. Click on it, and the image will be successfully sent back. Okay, if you want to delete it again, just click it and click on backspace, and that's it. And that's how you can easily and efficiently create a thumbnail in YouTube. So just come and choose either of these templates and modify each according to your specification. And when you're done and satisfied, just head over to share and then click on download, and make sure it is set to PNG or JPEG for best picture quality. All right, so download, okay, make sure it is set to PNG or JPEG, and then click on download. And that is how you have efficiently and just successfully created your thumbnail. If you have found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and make sure to subscribe. It will be highly appreciated. Thank you for watching and good luck.